Good morning, children. I anticipate all are you safe as well as you are studying at your homes. As you know, you have passed out from class 8. So now we are going to start the classes for mathematics of class 9. First, I want to introduce you with the syllabus. The syllabus for mathematics is. Let's start with unit first. Unit first is number system. In number system, we are going to study about different types of numbers. The first one is natural number. What do you mean by natural number? Counting numbers are said to be natural number. The numbers which we use for the counting the objects is said to be natural number. For example, 1 to infinite means natural number start from 1 and it never ends, or you can say that infinite. Okay, 1 to infinite. It is denoted by capital N. Now come to the second point. The second point is whole number. These start from 0 to infinitely. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... and so on, infinite. Okay, from 0 to infinite. The only difference between natural number and whole number is 0. In natural number, 1 to infinite, but in case of whole number, it starts from 0 to infinite. The third one is integer. It includes whole number and their inverse. It means, look in this number line, this one is 0, means if we go to the right hand side, then all the positive numbers. If we go to the left hand side, then all the negative numbers. So this collection is said to be the whole number, and this one is inverse. Okay, here is the inverse, means the negative of the numbers is said to be inverse. Children, don't confuse with this inverse. Inverse means the negative of the positive counting numbers. There is one more point. There is not any fractional value. अगर कोई भी वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में हमें दी जाएगी तो इसका मतलब वो इंटीजर नहीं है. So don't confuse with. Okay. Now example 1, 2, -3, -5, -7 etc. और भी बहुत सारे होंगे. Okay. Now the fourth one is ratio. A numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q does not is equals to 0. What the means here, Q does not is equals to 0 means denominator will never be 0. Let's see the example. 1 upon 4, 0 upon 7, 5 upon 8, etc. Okay, now see the second one is 0 upon 7. When you solve 0 upon 7, then you get the 0. So it is a rational number. Okay, here it is specially indicating that Q does not is equals to 0. So you don't put the denominator 0. Means you cannot write like this 0, 1 upon 0. Okay, not on 0, 7 upon 0. These are not the rational numbers. Okay, here this is the example of integer, not a fractional value. Okay, let's see the example for fractional value. Fractional value, just like 1 upon 7, -6 upon 5 are not integers. Okay, integers are not in the fraction form. Okay, it's simple, just like 1, 2, -3, -5 and -7. If you saw somewhere a fractions, that means it's not an integer. So for today this much be sufficient for you. Write down all the things which I have explained here. Next day when we'll meet, we continue with the next topic.